Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to create a Google business profile. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open any preferred browser and search for Google Business Profile. From the search results, open the first website. Once you are on the website, click on the Manage Now button. You will be asked to set up a new profile, so simply enter the business name and select a category. Then, click on the Next button. You will be asked if you want to add a location. Select Yes and click on the Next button. Next, you will be prompted to enter your information such as region, address, sector, city, and postal code. Once you have entered all the information, click on the Next button. Then, select the location of your store on Google Maps and click on the Next button. If you provide a delivery service, click on Yes, otherwise select No and proceed to the next step. After that, enter your contact information. It is important for your customers. I will skip this step for now, so click on the Next button. Next, select your business hours by toggling them on, and then click on the Next button. After that, enter the information being asked, such as the description of your business. You can also add photos if you want. Then, skip the custom domain step and click on the Continue button. So that's basically how you can create a Google business profile. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.